Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another super interesting hair removing device to share with you guys, and you all know I'm always up for anything that says DIY hair removal at home, because sometimes it can get so inconvenient to visit the parlor every time you have like the slightest regrowth of hair on your face. So yeah, I was really excited when I found this device on Amazon India. So this one is called Threaded and it's a facial hair removing spring, and this one is by the brand Saheli Innovations, and I will definitely be leaving the link of this down in the description in case you guys are interested to check it out. So Threaded facial hair remover is basically a spring. Yes, you heard that right, it's just a spring which is supposed to get rid of the hairs from your face, and what you're supposed to do is you're just supposed to bend the spring in an inverted U shape, and then you're just supposed to roll it like so and push it upwards opposite to the direction of your hair growth, and it's supposed to remove all the hair from your face. I just can't wait to try it out, so let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with my upper lip first, and as you can see I do have quite a bit of hair growth here, so we're gonna try and remove that with this spring. Whoa, oh my god, did you see that? This got rid of so much hair in one go. So what I did is I just placed it over my hair and I rotated it inwards like that, and I went upwards opposite the direction of my hair growth. Wow, this is so super easy to do, and it is actually removing most of the hair, and it definitely gets the hair out right from the roots, so that's a really good thing. So I'm going to do it on the other side as well. The best thing about this is, though it's removing even the tiniest of the hair from my upper lip, it's not at all painful. Like threading and waxing can be quite painful, and especially if you have sensitive skin, then I think you would definitely love this tool, because I literally don't feel any pain. So I really wanted to try this out for my eyebrows as well. As you can see, I do have a few regrowth here on my eyebrows, so I'm just going to take it in this way, because you want to go the opposite way of your hair growth. Okay, it's getting quite tricky because I think I am going to be pulling out my eyelashes if I'm not careful. So you want to be very careful. Oh my god. I'm like holding it this way. I am scared that I might pull off my eyelashes. So I think I'll just go in this direction, down to up. Nothing is happening there. I think I have to go in this direction. Let me try that again. Oops, I am ending up pulling out my hair from my eyebrows. It's quite impossible to do your eyebrows with this product, so I'm not going to attempt that anymore. Now I am also going to do my sideburns, just to show you guys, to give you guys an idea of how it works. I wish you could hear the sound. It's literally like pulling out the hairs from my face. The trick is to not press the product on your skin. Just touch your skin with the product and then just roll it up. Just roll it inwards. So as you saw, this product definitely works. If you have like sideburns or hair on your upper lip area, then this is a fantastic product. It removes hair with so much of ease, and the most important thing is it removes hair without much pain. So yeah, I think this product is totally worth trying out. However, I would not suggest using this for your eyebrows, because it can get pretty tricky and you might end up losing your lashes or your own eyebrows. So that's it for my demo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!